To use Magic Edit in Canva, start by opening Canva and logging into your account. From the home page, create a new design or open an existing project where you want to edit your image. Magic Edit is a powerful Canva feature that allows you to quickly change, remove, or replace elements in an image using AI, making editing fast and professional. First, upload the image you want to edit by clicking the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel. Drag your photo onto the canvas and make sure it is selected. When the image is highlighted, click on Edit Image at the top of the screen. Next, in the editing panel, look for Magic Edit. Click it to open the Magic Edit workspace. Here, you can select the area of the image you want to modify by using the brush or selection tool. Highlight the part you want to change, remove, or replace. After selecting the area, type in your desired change in the text box. For example, you can instruct Magic Edit to remove a background object, add new elements, or change colors. Canva's AI will process your request and apply the changes automatically. You can preview the edit and make additional adjustments if needed. For more refined results, combine Magic Edit with other Canva editing tools like brightness, contrast, filters, or cropping. Once you are satisfied with the results, continue designing your project or download and share your edited image. Using Magic Edit in Canva saves time, enhances creativity, and allows you to make professional edits to photos without needing advanced design skills. It's perfect for content creators, social media designers, marketers, and anyone looking to improve their Canva designs quickly and efficiently.